So you've heard of product targeting ads, but do you have an actual strategy to find the competitors that you need to target? Hey, this is Nick Hodge with Sellers Arena, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find those competitors. A lot of you have probably already heard of sponsored product targeting ads, or sponsored display product targeting ads, but maybe you're not quite sure of how to build out a strategy to actually use them. First of all, the sponsored display ads are the ones that show up here under the buy box or under the bullet points, and sponsored product down here. The general idea is you're going to target your competitors' listings with your listing to try to steal more of their market share. However, in this video, I'm going to actually show you how to find these guys to target. If you are a more well-established competitor, this is a great way to steal some of the newcomers, the new guys that are coming into the market, steal some of their market share and add that to yours.